What is up guys, done at this site. In this video I'm going to show you how to get or create a free OpenAI API key and then to connect it to your n8n. So first you need to head over to a new tab and then you need to open the OpenAI platform by just typing platform.openai.com, and after that under the manage section you need to click on API keys. After clicking on API keys you need to click on create new secret key and then you need to name your key. After naming your key, you just need to click on create secret key. And after clicking on create secret key, a new window will appear uh, with showing your secret key. Just simply copy it and then head over to n8n, click on add first step and then search for OpenAI. After searching for OpenAI, click on that and then you need to choose a trigger if you want to. You can also choose an action. And after choosing the action, click on select credential and then create new credential. And after that, here you just simply need to paste your API key. And after that, you need to click on save to save it. And then as you can see, the credential has been successfully created. And when you come back to your OpenAI's platform, here you can see the API key that you just created. So you can access it from here too. And this is how you can generate a free API key on OpenAI and then you can connect it to your n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.